Am I detained? Am I free to go, sir?
No, you're not free to go.
So I'm detained.
In this video, a man is pulled over after police claim a helicopter tracked him speeding. From the start, he challenges the stop, asking over and over how fast he was really going. The officers can't give him a clear answer, only repeating that the helicopter called it in. Frustrated, he asks for a supervisor and insists they articulate the crime before he hands over anything. It quickly turns into a tense debate over rights, law, and police authority.
What's up, man? How you doing?
Hey, what's up? What's going on? How may I help you?
Hey,
Who are you? What's your name?
my name's
work for?
Nice to meet you, man. Hey, I'm just been in contact with you because I guess the helicopter had you drive at excessive speeds. Do you have your driver's license on you?
Adam. I'll be with that vehicle at the Easy Mountain Clarksville. David Hall, 09900.
How's your day going so far?
Am I detained? Am I free to go, sir?
No, you're not free to go.
So I'm detained. What am I detained for, sir?
For your speed.
For my speed. How fast was I going, sir?
I can ask the helicopter.
How fast was I going, sir? All right, y'all. Look, I'm detained. I'm detained for supposedly speeding from a helicopter, y'all. From a helicopter, not a police cruiser. So what crime you suspect me of committing, sir?
It's just speeding, man. I already explained it to you. It's no big deal.
So you suspect me of speeding? Okay, how fast was I going? Once again, sir, you still ain't told me. I already asked you. I could have sworn it was a couple seconds ago, at least a minute ago.
I'm not trying to write you a ticket or
How fast was
like
I?
that, but
How fast was I going?
There's still a possibility of that. Okay.
Okay, well, it's a possibility. It's a
Okay.
possibility. You need to articulate the crime you suspect me of committing. You need to let me know. Okay, well, articulate it then, sir. Until then, I'm not going to answer any questions. All right, I plead the fifth.
Okay. Well, we need your driver's license to write you to
I need you to articulate the crime you suspect me of committing. First off, sir, you need to articulate this. Can you articulate that for me?
We can in a police report.
Okay.
If you like.
If you can give me if you can articulate that crime. If not, I need to speak to a supervisor because none of y'all have stripes on y'all shirt. And what's your name?
Which vehicle are you out with?
Hey, look, I'm not here to ruin your day, man. I just need your driver's license, okay, due to the speeding, all right? If you have your registration and insurance, we need that as well, all right?
Articulate the crime you suspect me of committing, sir. Articulate that. You have not articulated that. How fast was I going, sir? Once again, you have not told me that. All right, you need to tell me.
With all due respect,
how
man,
fast was I going?
I've been doing this for 10 years. That's not how it works. I need your driver's license.
Okay, so you're gonna. So you're telling me that I was speeding, correct?
Yes.
How fast was I going?
We can answer that for you, but I need your information.
Let me speak to a sergeant. Let me get a sergeant on
That's
here.
not how this works. Okay?
I need to speak to a sergeant, sir.
That's not how this
Sir,
works.
I need to speak to a supervisor. And what's your name?
Yeah, so this is what we have.
I need to speak to a supervisor until someone can tell me, because the only thing I'm hearing is he saying. Because he's just telling me that supposedly a helicopter, I guess, tracked me speeding or something. Okay, so how fast was I going, sir? Did the helicopter tell you, or did they not articulate that to you?
We can put all that in the police report.
Did the helicopter articulate that to you? If not, I need to speak to your supervisor, sir.
The supervisor is going to tell you the same thing.
Can I speak to a supervisor, please?
Give me 1 minute.
Thank you.
Okay.
If I can speak to a supervisor, I greatly appreciate that. Until then, man, I plead the fifth, sir. Man, dude, I'm not about to go nowhere, bro. That's one thing about it. I'll never run. Yeah, I can walk over here if y'all want me to.
You can stay right where you're at.
Okay. They should have told you who I was when you ran my tag, when you gave them my tag. They should have told you.
I don't know what that means, but...
You know what I'm saying? They should have told you who I am.
Who are you?
I don't know. They should have told you. They didn't tell me. That's a corporal.
Yeah, it's for
What, okay, how fast was I going? And you're a corporal. What's your
You said
name?
you were going 70 over the bridge from Clarksville to Rosa.
I didn't even go over Clarksville to Rosa. What are you talking about?
We got you on Air 1.
Okay, all right.
This is a traffic stop for your driving.
Okay, cool.
So we're going to need your driver's license.
All right, well, look, is that under a threat of duress?
If you don't give us your license, you're going to go to jail.
Is that under a threat of arrest?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, you're not under arrest.
I said,
This
is that under a
traffic
threat?
stop.
Is that under a threat of arrest?
For your driving behavior, yeah. We're going to need
So I'm
your
saying
ID.
y'all threatened me for my license. If not, I'm
If we
going to get
don't get
arrested,
your
right?
license, you're going to jail, correct?
Okay, gotcha. So under a threat of duress, I'm going to hand over my
All right,
license, all right? Cool. As a matter of fact, I don't even want to get to it. I give you my name, Timothy Ward, or I give you my license number, 109.
You have to get your license. You can get a ticket for not having your license on your person.
109-47.
You don't have your license on your person?
109.
Do you not have it on your person? Because you can get a ticket for that, too.
Timothy Ward.
All right, man.
Timothy Ward, 109-49.
What name?
Timothy Ward.
How do you spell that?
Timothy Ward, sir.
How do you spell Timothy Ward?
Sorry, normal spelling, sir. Timothy Ward,
What's
sir.
your birthday?
My license number is 109-47-9411, sir.
Is it a manual?
Sorry?
Manual.
Automatic.
The helicopter's right there. Just to corroborate our story. So So,
Okay.
they recorded it all. They're the ones that notified us about it. So
We're audio and video recording everything as well.
Gotcha.
Before I got out of the car, so.
that's why we are here.
Tracked me speeding and supposedly going in turn lanes and other stuff like that. So I was getting gas. While I was getting gas, this officer came up, told me about it. So, oh my goodness, what a day to do my birthday. This is crazy. Man, I should have kept going home, man. I'm under arrest. I'm under arrest.
No,
Oh, okay.
We're still on a traffic stop. You
Oh,
have you have a proof of insurance for us?
I'll take it to court if I gotta go. I'll just take
You
it
don't
to
have
court.
proof of insurance?
I got it, but it's on my phone, so.
That's fine. You can show
Well,
me.
I'm recording,
That's,
so.
look, we're all recording. It's fine. You can
Yeah,
record.
but if I stop, then, you know, it's
Okay.
people say, oh, you edit the video. I don't,
Okay,
you know.
all right. You don't want to show us proof of insurance?
I got it. I'll just bring it to court.
Okay.
Yeah. Yep. Y'all should be able to look it up, right? It should show up. It don't show up.
And your insurance on your first interview. Can you show me those three things?
Well, I have my insurance on my phone.
That's fine.
But
Show
I
it to
can't
me.
because I'm recording, so I can't.
We're
I'm not
also
ready.
recording.
You can keep the recording up if you usually
I don't
if
think you
slide up,
can.
it'll open up a different window.
By the end, the officers bring in a corporal who insists the helicopter clocked him at 70 miles an hour. The man finally gives up his license, but only under protest, saying it's under duress. He records everything, determined to use it later in court. Even when asked for proof of insurance, he refuses to stop filming, insisting he'll show it only in front of a judge. The stop ends with tickets and tension, but the man makes one thing clear. This fight isn't over. What do you think about this story? Share your thoughts in the comments. Here is another case. In this video, officers approach a parked car and open the door without permission. The people inside immediately challenge the action, questioning why it happened and demanding clear answers. They argue that sitting in a parked car doesn't equal a traffic stop, and past records don't prove a crime in the present. The situation grows heated as both sides stand their ground over rights, protocol, and authority.
Don't mean you get to just walk up and open nobody's car. No, that don't mean you get to just walk up and open somebody's car door. It don't matter what his priors are. You can't just come and open somebody's car door. No, I got a tape. I can't see you, so I need to be able to see you.
Record, but can you turn the light off?
No, I need to be able to see you. I can't see without the light, so I need to be able to see you. That's fine. I don't care.
Tommy, there's no guns in this car, right? Is there any weed in here?
Why did you open the door?
Exactly.
Do you smell some weed in here?
I can't smell very well right now.
Well, why did you open the door?
I don't even smoke, so there ain't no weed in here.
Because I smell.
Okay, listen, nothing. You can't search my car. Who said I was gonna search your car? Me.
So what did you open the door for?
I opened the door
For
because I
what?
told you I can't see what's in your hands right
It don't matter.
My hands on the steering wheel. Tommy, listen. Man,
Nah, you breaking protocol, bro. You breaking protocol.
Tommy, I'm
You
telling you.
breaking
The other
protocol.
officers are gonna come and you're gonna get out of the car. I'm
So
telling you.
what?
For what? That's
For
fine.
what?
You don't wanna wait.
You don't even have a reason to pull us out the car. We ain't did shit illegal.
Call your sergeant. Call your sergeant out here.
Yeah, call the watch commander. Call the watch commander. Fuck a sergeant. No, I'm requesting a watch commander.
Commander doesn't come.
All right, well, yeah, they do. Yeah, they do.
What are you talking about?
Yeah, we need a supervisor. We need a few of them. Because you can't just come and open somebody. All we doing is sit. That's no probable cause for nothing. And nobody committed no crime. It's not even mere suspicion.
No, it is.
It's not, because just because
What's the
people got
suspicion?
priors,
What's the
just because you
suspicion?
have priors, that don't give you suspicion that I got a gun right now, or
That
even
part.
a gun in the car. No.
You're mistaken, man.
No,
you're mistaken.
That's against the law, bro. You can't. That's.
Well, are you working?
Are you?
Yes.
No, you're not. You
I'm
doing?
working.
You working the system.
Okay.
That's
listen,
what you're
man,
doing.
Listen.
Nah, y'all do.
Continue to interfere, man. You're
Ain't no
gonna get
interfering. I
arrested.
can ask you questions.
148
I can
again.
ask you questions,
You're gonna
and then it's gonna
arrested
get threw out
again.
again.
You're gonna get arrested.
So I'm getting
again.
arrested for asking you questions.
No. I said, did I
How's
say-
that interfering? All
did
I'm
I
doing is
say
asking
if
questions.
You keep asking questions, you're gonna get
That's
arrested?
all I'm
No.
doing.
I said if you keep interfering.
All I'm doing is asking questions. So how is that
Well,
interfering?
you totally change your tone now because you just.
I don't care if I was loud or not. If I'm asking you a question, I could yell a question to the top. Difference do it make? All I'm doing is asking you questions. That's not interfering. That's my right. I can ask you a question. You're on duty, right? Like you said, you're working, right? So I can ask you anything I want to.
When the other officers get here, I'm gonna ask you guys to get out of the car. If you don't get out of the car, you're obstructing.
What are we
and
stepping
you're-
out for?
Yeah,
First of all, tell us what we stepping out for.
Exactly. Can I talk to one person? I can't hear.
All right,
Why we stepping out?
my car?
Can I talk to one person? I
You
can't hear.
talking to all three of us. We all listening.
There's all three of us in the car.
Exactly.
We all asking the same question.
Can I talk to one of you three? I can't
Why
hear
are
all
you
of
talking to me then? Why we stepping out?
Because this is a lawful traffic stop.
And it's not a traffic
It's
stop.
not a traffic
The car
stop.
wasn't in motion. You didn't pull us over. This is not a
The
stop.
car being on or off.
It's
doesn't
not
matter.
off. It's not driving. That's not a
It
traffic
doesn't-
stop.
Yes, it
That
is.
doesn't. What constitutes a traffic stop?
No.
You're not in motion. We're not traveling.
People's dumb.
We're not doing any of that. How is that a stop?
All right.
How is that a
I'm
traffic
asking you guys to
stop?
Get out of the car now, all right?
How is that a traffic stop? You still can't search it even if we do get out. We're not authorizing no searches. Because you don't even have no reason to search the car or pull us out.
Car's parked.
So why are we pulling out again?
You guys are gonna step out of the car, right?
Okay, so why are you pulling us out one more time? So we can clarify that?
Because Tommy's been arrested for like 5 guns.
Okay, what do that have to do with what we sitting here with?
It has to do with a lot of stuff.
No, it
Reasonable suspicion that a crime has occurred.
What suspicion do you have?
All kinds, narco investigation, guns.
Where?
all
Where?
kinds of
No,
shit, right?
no, that
Shut
no.
up right
You
now.
talking some prior shit that don't got nothing to
you
do
guys-
with
you
today.
guys gotta get out now,
You
right?
talking some prior shit that don't got nothing
All
to do
right,
with
hey,
today.
step out, man.
Why are we getting pulled out?
Hey, listen, step out. If you don't, you're gonna get arrested.
Why are you getting out? I can still step out.
Go to the,
Yeah,
go to
fuck
the-
all that. All that shit is dramatic. Y'all stepping. Okay, why you pulling on me? You telling me where to go? Don't pull on me. Go ahead. You can search me. Don't gotta be in my pocket either. And I'm not consenting to no searches either. So you searching me unlawfully. That's cool. Don't go in my pocket either.
You on paper or nothing?
Man, I'm not on nothing. I don't even know what y'all here for. Y'all don't even know what y'all here for. What, can we sit in the car? That's illegal? No, that's all he did. That's all we doing. So what other reason would you have to search it if we just sit in the car? We're not in the traffic. It's not a traffic stop if we're not in motion. So what is we being stopped for? What is y'all pulling us out the car for? No, it don't make sense. All right, I'm about to ask him then. So y'all already checked me, right? All right, so y'all, no, I'm not being detained. I can record on my phone. To get my phone. I am relaxed. What am I being in cuffs for? They wasn't even handcuffed me. You just came and you want to put me in cuffs for what?
You're being detained and you're
For
on
what?
your phone. Come on.
I'm not on my phone. I'm taping it.
I don't care if she recorded.
I can put my keys in my pocket. I can put my yeah, do that.
Relax, right, man?
Yeah, turn it over, Auntie.
Officers direct everyone to step out of the car. The men keep pressing for reasons, asking what evidence justifies the search. Even with repeated objections, police move forward, patting them down and checking pockets. The men record everything, saying they were only sitting inside the car. The video ends in conflict, officers asserting power, while the men refuse to back down quietly. What do you think about this story? Share your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real stories that matter.